Inventories are probably one of the most important documents after the tenancy agreement. They set out a stall, they set a fixed point in time that we can all work from. They must be independent and they must be thorough. We have a duty as the experts in lettings to give best advice, and the easiest way that we've found to do that is to tell landlords of managed properties where we hold a deposit that we really can't manage their property unless we have an independent inventory. We're so passionate about this, in fact, that we don't charge any additional fee on top of the inventory cost. They pay the cost that the clerk charges us. It's not a profitable exercise, it's about their protection and to prevent problems at the end of the tenancy, and as a result we get very few disputes.
So really, would you agree that the outcome of the tenancy is decided at the beginning when you get the proper documentation rather than at the end?
Without question, yes. The beginning of the tenancy is key, and it's important to make sure that the tenant has agreed the inventory or been given the opportunity to dispute any errors within it. Same with the landlord. And at the end, if you follow due process and you have that independent, impartial and comprehensive report on the property, then really there shouldn't be a problem.
Have you got any horror stories of where there wasn't a proper inventory and it came back to bite?
Well, Bushells don't have horror stories, but I have heard of a lot, yes, where landlords have provided what they believe is an inventory and in fact it's a list of contents and not a schedule of condition. Or perhaps they've got one inventory company in to start with and done their own checkout, and the disparity just creates confusion.
So what would your advice be to landlords and tenants about inventories?
Invest in an inventory. Make sure you read the inventory and only use an inventory clerk that is properly accredited.